Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering both units and choosing the right input. Plug the source into the transmitter using the matching cable, 3, 5 mm, RCA, or optical, and secure connections by hand. Once powered, set both units to the same channel or pairing mode. Many devices show an LED for link status. If your transmitter has gain or codec options, leave them at default for now. Make sure the receiver is on the expected output and muted until you confirm audio to avoid surprises. Once the link LED blinks, press the pair buttons on both devices and wait for a steady light indicating a successful connection. Next, choose the codec or sample rate if available. Use low latency modes for video or live monitoring and higher bitrate modes for fidelity when latency is less important. Then, set the transmitter's output level and the receiver's volume to a conservative baseline. Test with a short audio clip, listen for clipping, dropouts, or sync delay, and tweak levels until clean and stable. You finish by locking physical connections and positioning antennas for optimal reception. Small adjustments can yield big improvements. Confirm the source and receiver share sample rate and channel configuration, and switch stereo or mono settings to match your setup. If you encounter hiss, intermittent dropouts, or no sound, power cycle the transmitter and receiver, reinitiate pairing, and test alternate channels or frequencies. As a last resort, increase separation from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices, often moving a meter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.